Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have to solve this question that says without the use of a table or tables, evaluate this. It could be four-figure table. It doesn't even want us to use calculator. So it's exactly pointing us to the laws of indices. So just in case you have not watched my video for the laws of indices, we have dealt with that previously. Go back and watch it. Thank you so that you can build your confidence. That's what I want to say. Okay, now so we say solution. If you look closely into the equation, you can see that they are fractions. We must make those fractions standard form. We must write them in standard form before they can be usable. So what are we going to do to 0.81? It could be transformed to 81 times 10 raised to power minus 2. The explanation is 81. Look at the dot is moving 2 times. That is 2 0. You see that? And the negative we introduced was as a result of we move the dot to the left hand side. Look at it. The left hand side twice. That's how, assuming we're going to the right hand side, it will be positive. For this case, it's negative. Okay, now, if that is correct, 2.25 also will be 225 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 also. So we can fix these values in the equation. In the place of this, we say 81 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 all over 225 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 times 10 raised to the power 7. You see, we are taking the first step, and we are progressing already. You know, solution starts from here. We are progressing already. So what do we do next? If you remember the laws of indices that says when you have the b's are the same, if you have the same base and the power differs, what are you supposed to do with the powers? Like for example, s raised to power n times s raised to power m is equal to s raised to power n plus m, which is what you see here. So how do we deal with this? We can therefore say 81 times 10 raised to power minus 2 plus minus 5, you see, all over 225 times 10 raised to power minus 2 plus 7 is just simple direct. Fine. We can come over and continue from here. So 81 times 10 raised to power minus 2 plus minus 5 becomes minus 7 all over 225 minus 2 minus 7 minus 2 plus 7 becomes 5. You have 5, you have 7, you are taking away 2. That's how it became 5. And don't forget the square root sign. And achieving this, after getting to this place, we can see that the pattern is playing out already. So if we say 81 all over 225 square root times 10 raised to the power minus 7 all over 10 raised to the power 5, are we going to be correct? And the answer is yes, we are fine, you are correct. So 81, the square root of 81, if you can remember, is 9. And the square root of 225, 15 times 10. Okay, from here we can actually say 10 times raised to the power 7 to the power 5. I don't know if you follow what I did. Yes, the same laws of indices. This one came up, it becomes negative. You see that? Okay, so from here, 9/15 times 10. So according to the laws of indices too, like the one we saw previously, when you are multiplying, you add, let them go, when you multiply, you add their index. So 7 minus 7 plus minus 5 is minus 12. Remember, this is what it is. The square root is the same thing as this. So you are finding your way towards the answer, simply. So if you do this, you have 0.6, and then you remember this over 1. 2 can go into 2, 1. 2 can go into 12. You have 6. So this will multiply by 10 raised to the power minus 6. You see? And now we are confident that we are going somewhere. It's becoming simpler and smaller. And 0.6 could also be 6 or 6 times 10 raised to the power minus 1. If you remember where we started from, it can become like this, and it's the same too. It's the same thing, the same expression. So we want to bring this in. There's any way you have 0.6, put this, and it becomes 6 times 10 raised to the power minus 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. And minus 1 minus 6, 10 raised to the power minus 7. You see this? Simple and easy. So what has helped us to achieve this solution is the laws of indices. We did not apply any use of 4-figure table or calculator, but with the use of the laws that we know, we have been able to arrive at this. Thank you. Follow for more. So if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscription button, like and share also. God bless you. Bye-bye.